See, if you ask your electrician today to wire for a video doorbell, he'll probably pull a Cat 6 or 2 from your main bell location to the indoor screen location. But this is not the right method today. This wiring method was okay when analog video door phones were the solution. But in 2023, today, IP door phones or networked video door phones are available. See, these are high resolution in video, these are long lasting, these are a better technology, and they also have better audio quality over these analog systems. And they also fit into the CCTV system of your home because that also runs on the network. So having a networked video doorbell as well just makes sense. So wire for a networked video door phone rather than wiring for an analog video door phone. So I'll tell you how to guide your electrician on wiring a networked video door phone system. Rather than pulling the Cat 6 from the outdoor bell location to the indoor screen location, take it to the network rack. So from your network rack, take the Cat 6 and pull it to your bell location, and from the network rack again pull a Cat 6 to your indoor screen location as well. So wire for the doorbell just like you wire for your CCTV cameras. So the Cat 6 from the doorbell comes into your network rack, and the Cat 6 from your network rack goes to the indoor screen location. So your indoor screen and your outdoor doorbell connect through the network switch, connect through the network. So once you do this system, you have multiple manufacturers like Control4, AQ that you can go for in a networked video doorbell solution. And these doorbells will also ring on your mobile phone when you're not at home. So it's a win-win situation. So wire for these doorbells, just like I've asked you to, and reap the benefits of technology in 2023.